Hey Diamonds, it's Jamequa Stevens and welcome to my channel where I show you the ins and outs of what it means to be an entrepreneur. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a quick business plan for your small business. Now this tutorial is beginner friendly because I like to keep it simple. The importance of a business plan. Why is a business plan important? So a business plan is important because it shows you your competition. This will also help you set yourself apart from the competition because you don't want to do the same thing that everybody else is doing, especially if you're in a saturated market. Next thing a business plan will do is help you better understand your target market, what they like, what they don't like, how to market to them. It'll also help your business when you're pitching to investors. If you need extra funding for your business, it's good to have a business plan so that you can explain your business to them. This is a quick tutorial showing you exactly how you can create a business plan for your business. It doesn't have to be complicated. It doesn't have to be hard. It's pretty simple. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment box below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Jamequa Stevens and make sure you subscribe and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload. So this is a quick business plan that you can do for your business. So we're gonna go into detail and I'm gonna explain each one of them. In your business plan, you wanna have your business name and logo. If you don't have your logo just yet, that's fine. Just put your business name. Type of business. You want to include if you're a service-based business. For example, are you like a one-on-one coach, life coach, health coach, or are you a product-based business? This means you have physical products like eyelashes, purses, clothes, jewelry. Anything that's an actual physical product would make you a product-based business. A business structure. What is your business structure? Are you a partnership, limited liability, LLC? Are you a corporation? You want to include that in this section. Mission statement. This is very important. This is going to summarize everything about your business and your business goals. So it's okay if you create this mission statement after everything else. This is gonna help you get clear on the purpose of your business. So what is your business? Who do you help in your business? How do you help those people? Where? Are you located in a specific area? Are you strictly online? And when? Are you only open at night? It's a lot easier to answer these questions once you do your market research on your target market. So basically, you want to find the demographics. Now, the demographics is like the city, state, community, address, climate, region where your target audience is. Now, geographics is their gender, age, income, occupation, education, household size. Now, psychographics is their attitudes, their values, their lifestyles. Of course, buying patterns. You want to know how your target market buys, and this will help you create sales ideas. So buying patterns could include, do your target market like sales, or do they shop online? When they shop online, are they shopping on a phone or are they shopping on a computer? Now, market problems. What is something that your market is missing or needs? Basically, your business is here to solve a problem for your target market. Your competitive advantage. What makes you different from other businesses that are just like yours? Customer benefits. How does your business or products benefit your customers? I also did a detailed video on this topic. I'll leave a card on the screen so you can go and watch that. But basically, you just want to get specific and detailed on how your customers benefit from your business. The next section is promotion. Where will you promote? Website, social media, events, email. You can use infographics to figure out where your target market is on. Infographics will tell you there's this percentage of women on Facebook, this percentage of men on Facebook. Really do your research and find out where your target market is. Sales ideas. What type of sales will you be providing your customers. I did a detailed video on this as well. I'll leave a card on the screen. So basically it goes into detail on the different types of sales you can offer your target market. Now, based off of the information you find on your target market, you want to use the right sales that will get their attention. And last but not least, there's the expenses section in your business plan. I also did a detailed video on expenses, and I'll leave a card right here on the screen. And I mean everything from your shipping supplies, from the tape you have to use to tape your products up, like anything. It's not just the actual product, it's the printer paper. How much will that cost you to run your business? And that is how to create a business plan for your small business. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. We're almost at 6,000 subscribers, and I'll talk to you loves later. Bye.